boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. I happily present Jay Collin for you. I believe this is the first time on this channel. I'm not sure, but I believe so. I listened to him before, and he's a very talented young artist. Deserves a spot here on Goran Guitar. So let's go into his song called Distance, and this is based upon this melody that is based upon 4 chords. So yeah, let's go into the melody immediately, because we're not gonna use the full chords as they are. We're just gonna learn the melody. That is what's played. So yeah, first setup, we had a capo on the 6th fret. Absolute best scenario for us if we want to match up with the sound. And if you don't care about that, then I recommend you to play the same notes wherever you want on the fretboard actually. But yeah, these chords are very right for your hand. So let's go into it. This is based upon the F first. It goes like this. So you're gonna play 1st fret on E string, then 2nd on G, 3rd D, 3rd A, and 2nd G, and the pause, okay? Then you pretty much repeat that again. So you play 1st E, 2nd G, 3rd D, 3rd A, and then 2nd G. And instead of having a pause now, you're gonna play that. It's based upon the G chord, and it's played with 3rd fret E string in the bass together with open B. Okay, so we come half so far. We play this. And then you're gonna play the A minor based melody. It goes like this. So you're gonna play open A, 1st B, 2nd G, 2nd D, and 1st B, and the pause. Then you're gonna repeat that again pretty much. You're gonna play open A, 1st B, 2nd G, 2nd D, and 1st B. And instead of having a pause now, you're gonna play this. It's based upon the C chord, and you're gonna play 3rd A together with open high E. And with that C pick, you ended 1 round of this melody. So the second half was and then just start all over again with F, G, A minor, and C. So it goes like this. Beautiful melody there, and that's what you need to handle Jay Collin's Distance. And if you're a fan of him, support me, support him, and like this tutorial. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you so much, guys, and until next time, play tuned.